Hello everyone, myself Jay Dirpal Reddy. My registration number is URK18CS233. Today we are going to discuss about one of the main important experiment in operating system, that is reader writer problem and producer consumer problem. Now we are going to discuss about producer consumer problem. Producer consumer problem means it is used for multi-process synchronization, that is synchronization between more than one processor. In the producer consumer problem, there is one producer and one consumer, that is consuming the products by the producer. The job of producer is to generate the data and put into the buffer and again start generating data. Consumer is to consume the data from the buffer. The if it producer should not produce items into the buffer when the consumer is consuming an item from the buffer and vice versa. Suppose if the producer is not able to produce, means that is the consumer is consuming the product. Suppose if the consumer is not able to consume the product, means producer is producing the product. See here, this problem is like bounded buffer problem. It means buffer with a fixed size. When the buffer is full, we cannot produce. Means suppose if there is no space, we are not able to produce and should not able to produce. When the buffer is empty, the consumer should not consume. That means suppose if the buffer is empty, there is no items or products in the buffer, then there is no chance to consume the product. The shared data for this problem is empty, full, mutex, buffer. Buffer equal to 5 means there is chance of availability of size with size 5. Mutex means if mutex equal to 1, then we are able to produce or consume the product. Full, suppose full is used to whether the buffer is full or not. Empty is used to check whether the buffer is empty or not. For that purpose we will use that empty and all. And see here, for producing, we told you that we already discussed that for producing means for producing empty equal to 0. That means there is no full equal to 0. That means the buffer is not full, so we can produce. For consuming, see here, for consuming full equal to 4. That means there is a chance to consume 4 items from the buffer. Actually the buffer size is 5. Full equal to 4 means there is a chance to produce 1 item and consume 4 items from the buffer. That is, let's see the program of this. See here, this is buffer. This is a bounded buffer problem, that is producer consumer problem. Here I have declared the header files. After that, using namespace std, this is used for working of C input output functions. See here I have declared mutex equal to 1, mutual exclusion equal to 1. That means mutual exclusion means at a time only one process should enter into the critical section. If mutex equal to 1, then there is a chance to enter into the critical section. See here, full equal to 0 and empty equal to 5. N equal to 5. N equal to 5 means that is size of buffer is 5. So here buffer with array size is 5. And in equal to 0, out equal to 0. See here, void wait int n. Here in this, I need to tell you two things. Wait means to test whether suppose wait means n less than or equal to 0. If n less than or equal to 0, then it waits. Otherwise it decrement by 1. Suppose see here, we already told you that for mutex equal to 1, then it moves to the critical section. Otherwise it has to wait. Suppose if it is not s less than or equal to 0, suppose s equal to 2 or mutex equal to something value, it is entered. After enter, we will to decrement the value. There is a function of wait. Signal means we need to increment to the value. See here, that's why see here n equal to n plus 1. So for weight n equal to n minus 1. See here for producer, we already told you for whenever we are producing, we need to check whether buffer has space or not for producing, or buffer is empty or not. See, if empty equal to 0, buffer is full. That means there is no empty in the buffer, so that's buffer is full. And return, and see here it's asking enter the value. See here that is int item, and we are taking using scene, we are taking item. See here weight empty. Weight empty means, see here weight means what? We need to decrement the value. So empty decremented, we are producing decremented, empty decremented. Now empty becomes empty equal to 1. See here again, see here weight equal to mutex. Mutex means we are doing mutual exclusion, means at a time only one process should enter the critical section. If mutex equal to 1, it enters. After entering, we do decrement. See here buffer in. See here buffer in equal to item. Actually n equal to 0. Now item. See buffer of 0 equal to item. We are inserting buffer of 0 equal to item. And see here n equal to n plus 1 mod n. After that we need to signal mutex, because if mutex equal to 1, then only we can enter into critical section. So signal mutex and signal full. Signal full means in buffer full equal to 5 means then there is no chance to produce. So that's why we need to increment full. See here in consumer, if full equal to 0, if full equal to 0, then buffer is empty, return. See here when we are consuming, we need to decrement here full. Whenever we are producing, we need to decrement empty. See here weight mutex and C equal to buffer of out. There we are inserting, now we are removing. See the consumed value is C, out equal to out plus 1 mod n, same as we did in the producer. After that we need to increment the mutex and we need to increment the empty. In main function, see here using switch case we did the operation. See here 1 for producer and 2 for consumer, 3 for exit. User asking enter your choice. After that see here switch using switch case 1, if mutex equal to 1, produce. Case 2, if mutex equal to 1, consumer. Case 3, existing break. Well, sh not equal to 3. See here now I am going to run this program. See here it is asking enter your choice. I am going to produce now. See here 1 is asking enter value. See 5 I have produced. Now again I am producing, so it's asking 6. Now see, now I am consuming now. Then see here 2, enter choice. See the consumed value is 5, and again consuming, the consumed value is 6. Now there is no values in the buffer because I inserted 2 values and removed 2 values. Now see I am going to consume, but there is no values in buffer. See you are getting buffer is empty. Suppose see here now see here I am going to produce 5 values and I will check whether there is a chance to produce one more value. See I am going to enter choice 5, 2, 1, 3, then 1, 5, 1, 6, sorry 1, 6, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 8. See now here if we press means see buffer is full. That means there is no chance to insert value. This is about producer consumer problem. Now I am going to show you reader writer problem. Wait a minute. See a reader writer problem. In this reader writer problem, reader writer means we need to read and write. See here multiple readers can read at a time in this, but only one can write into the only one can write at a time. Multiple can read from at a time, but only but here see here multiple can read at a time, but only one person can write into only one person can write. See here I have declared the header files using namespace study for working of input and output functions. I have declared three variables. Now int number equal to 0. See here first there is a function for writer. See void I have declared one here using this pointer. Now I am changing this to integer value using int function. See here same weight, we already told you weight means is decrement, and cnt equal to cnt into 2. See here we are here printing the modified count, and see here now there is a function for reader, and we have one parameter, and we have changed that to integer. Using same weight we are decreasing this mx value, and we are incrementing numReader value using plus plus. If numReader equal to 1, then we need to decrement wrt, and we need to post mx. See here reader count as, see we are printing reader count as, and we are decrementing mx, and we are changing numReader to, and we are decrementing numReader. If numReader equal to 0, then we need to sum post to wrt and sum post mx. Here in main function, see here p thread t read array and write array. Here semaphore initial equal, here we have mx of 0, 1, and here wrt of 0, 1. So here using for loop we have created, and we have read, and using this for loop we have created the thread, and we have write into the thread. Again using this for loop we have joined the read whatever we read. Using this for loop we have joined whatever we write. So here we are calling the function. Now let's see the output of this program. See here reader count as 1. See here this modified count is we are coming here. See 2, 4, 8, 16, 12. Thank you. This is all about reader, writer and producer consumer problem.